How to clone articles in Hubspot. To clone articles or content in Hubspot, you have to follow these steps. Navigate to your content section, log in into your Hubspot account. This is the dashboard which will look, and go to the relevant section. For example, blog or email or pages here. Right? I will just go to the blog section here. Now select the content, find the specific blog post, email or page you want to clone. So for example, I don't have a blog here, so I will just go and click on start from scratch. I will just create a blog just to test this out. For example, test, and I'll just write here. Now once you write your blog, you have to just go and click on publish. Now once you go and publish here, automatically it will show up in your blog section. Right now here, hover over the name of your content item and click on this clone option. As you can see here, I hover it and I will just go and click on clone. Now automatically I can just rename this clone here. For example, I'll just write here clone and just click on clone it. Right, and now it's done. It has been cloned, as you can see here, the name, and I'll just exit and it will saved in my draft section as a clone. Right, so this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.